Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which country imposed 50% tariffs on Indian exports in August 2025? USA. Who is the current Prime Minister of India on a diplomatic visit to Japan? Narendra Modi. In which Maharashtra city did a recent building collapse cause fatalities? Palghar. Which highway in Jammu and Kashmir was shut due to a cloudburst at Dora? Jammu-Srinagar. Which Indian festival led to today's stock market holiday? Ganesh Chaturthi. In which border state was a cross-border arms racket busted in August 2025? Punjab. In which city was a record number of 35 babies delivered in 24 hours? Mumbai. Who is the captain of the Indian women's hockey team participating in the 2025 Asia Cup? Salima. Which festival was widely celebrated in India on 27 August 2025? Ganesh Chaturthi. Which city in Maharashtra installed anti-rabies centers in all its zones? Nagpur. Who is the US president who fired Fed gunner Lisa Cook in August 2025? Trump. Sanctions regarding which country were discussed as snapback measures by the UN? Iran. Which river forced evacuations in Punjab's Fazilka district recently? Sutlej. In which Ukrainian region did Russian forces advance in August 2025? Dnipropetrovsk. The president of which country visited Egypt after Angola in August 2025? UAE. Which automobile company announced a 70,000 crore rupees investment plan in 2025? Maruti. Which Pacific nation expressed solidarity against the US tariffs on India? Fiji. Which Indian state government mapped all its health units in August 2025? Bihar. Which state gave land incentives for investments above 100 crore rupees? Bihar. Which sector was central to the US-India trade negotiations recently? Dairy. Name the Indian F2 racer who made history by winning the sprint at Monaco. Kushmani. Which Indian shuttler began with a win at the 2025 Badminton World Championships? Sindhu. Which two football bodies threatened suspension of Indian football over constitutional issues? FIFA FC. The US Open tournament in 2025 saw Venus Williams and which two other women players? Gauff, Swiatek. In which state exam were 415 candidates disqualified for malpractice recently? Rajasthan. Which southern Indian state tightened rules for birth and death registration in 2025? Tamil Nadu. Which major hospital in Hyderabad expanded rural outreach activities? MGM. Which river in Odisha showed revival due to monsoon flush in August 2025? Yamuna. Damage to which natural feature has increased Mumbai's flood vulnerability? Mangroves. Which legal act was invoked against 636 alleged criminals in Nagpur recently? Makoka. Which Bollywood actress reappeared publicly after a privacy controversy? Alia. Which Indian space organization conducted a crucial airdrop test for human spaceflight? ISRO. Which US AI company settled a copyright lawsuit with American authors in August 2025? Anthropic. In which festival did Muslim youth contribute by making idols in Nagpur? Ganesh Chaturthi. What is the title given to the head of an award-winning school in Delhi? Principal. Members of which political party staged a Vidhan Sabha walkout during law and order debate? Congress. CM of which state attended a breakfast scheme event during major floods? Punjab. In which High Court were long pending POCSO charges quashed for delayed FIR filing? Bombay. Supreme Court granted special laptop use to accused in which high-profile case? Elgar. National Guard deployment planned for which major US city this week? Chicago. Which Indian cricket fantasy platform halted expansion pipeline in August 2025? Dream 11. What AI tool did police use to catch a major home loan fraud mastermind in Nagpur? ChatGPT. Which Mumbai court handed down verdict in fatal coconut theft case? Girgaon. Who is the new Guardian Minister for Bhandara District, Maharashtra? Bhoyer. Breakfast scheme in Chennai branded as an investment by which leader? CM. Which state extended the OBC student document submission deadline? Maharashtra. Which natural disaster cut off Manali from Kullu this week? Landslide. Government study revealed flood vulnerability in which Indian metro? Mumbai. Which XRA and W officer faces a non-bailable warrant from Delhi court? Yadav. Which city corporation's councillors failed to raise issues, as per recent news? Chennai. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.